Ooh, what?
No.
That was kind of satisfying, though.
Yeah, that was nice.
Kind of cool.
So, okay.
What else are you gonna do? You got a
some
whole bunch of dry
potty.
plaster.
Uh-huh.
Bam! What?
Yeah.
How?
And it works
You
with
put it.
acetate.
You put it on like not the drill function, but
The hammer.
The hammer. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's
and,
cool.
And it works. But when we test it, it doesn't work with
Plaster?
some different materials. It works only with the cement.
Okay. All right. So if you're using this thing to mix your cement, now you know how to take the dry cement off.
Yes.